Good morning, dear student. I am your English teacher, and today we are going to start the same chapter. Yesterday, I taught you the summer of the beautiful white horse. As I taught yesterday to you, here are four characters. I explained you yesterday: Murad, Aram, and rest remain two or more. Okay, so we are going. This story is about two Armenian poor boys who belongs to a tribe. Tribe is a small group whose hallmark are trust or honesty. One day back there in the good old days when I was 9 and the world was full of very imaginable kind of magnificence and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream. One day back in the good old days, it was good old days when I was 9. I was 9 years old. Who is saying? Aram is telling this story. He is narrator. Imaginable kind of magnificence, and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream. It was mysterious dream. Why mysterious dream? Because he was very poor. He wanted to become rich, but it was a dream for him. So he is saying mysterious dream. My cousin Murad, who was considered crazy, my cousin Murad has come and who was considered crazy. He looks like crazy. Be everybody who knew him except me. Everybody say that Murad is crazy. Not I am thinking about my cousin. Everybody who were living in my areas, everybody calls to him crazy. Okay, crazy Murad came to my house. He comes at my home in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning and woke me up tapping to the window. Tapping means do knock it, cut like this window of my room. Aram, he said Aram, Aram. I jumped out of my bed and looked out of the window and I saw, who is that? Who is saying Aram, 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 Aram? I could not believe what I saw. I was so shocked after seeing that. What I have seen. It was not morning yet. It was not morning yet. It was the time of 4 a.m. in the morning. It was not completely morning, but the light was here, so we can see everybody easily who is in front of you. So it was not morning yet, but it was summer. It was the summer, and with daybreak, not many minutes around the corners of the world, it was light enough. It was sufficient light. So I was able to see who is in front of me, though it was not morning. Okay, it was not dreaming. I was not dreaming. So I was sure that it is not dream. It is reality. My cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. When I looked out from the window, I saw that my cousin Murad is sitting on the white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. And I rubbed my eyes. Yes, he said in Armenian. In Armenian language, Murad said, yes, you are right. What you are saying here, it is right. It is white horse and I am sitting on it. It is a horse. You are not dreaming, my dear. Who is saying? Murad is saying, my dear Aram, you are not dreaming. It is reality. Make it quick if you want to ride. Come quickly outside if you want to ride this horse. I knew my cousin Murad. Means I knew that how is Murad. Murad is a very enjoyed being alive more than anybody else. He was a crazy person. He wanted to enjoy his life, not the matter how, but he wanted to enjoy his life moments. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake. Some people are there, they do not want to enjoy their life. They are sitting at the one place and they are working since morning till evening. Okay, they are not enjoying and they are not enjoying their life. But the Murad is a different. He was different from other. He wanted to enjoy his life in the comparison of others. If others are sitting, they are not enjoying their life. But Murad wanted to enjoy their life, and he enjoys he enjoyed every moment of his life. So, who had ever fallen into the world by mistake? He was not like the others who has come here on this earth by mistake. They are not enjoying their life. But Murad was different from this type of guys. But this was more than even I could believe. But it was amazing for me to believe on this time. In the first place, my earliest memory had been memories of horses. I like horse, and I like horse riding also. Who is saying? Aram is telling. In the first place, my earliest memories, it was my memory, had been memorized of horses, and my first longings had been longings to ride. I liked to ride the horse. This was the wonderful part, but my dream has come true. This was the wonderful part. In the second place, we were poor. I liked horse riding. I wanted to buy my horse, but my condition was very poor. We were very poor. We do not have sufficient money to buy horse. Okay, so Aram is thinking about this. In the second place, we were very poor. In the second place, we were very poor. This was the part that would not permit me to believe what I saw. He is thinking that Aram and Murad, both we are poor. But how it is possible that Murad is having horse? Both we are poor. So he is thinking in his mind, Aram, how it is possible he is having horse? Okay, my dear student, we shall continue this story on tomorrow. Till then, thank you and happy